everyone, my name is Ritika and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a text to speech voice cloning POC that I built where a user can upload their own voice and then chat with the system and every response comes back in their own voice. So before we jump into the demo, let me quickly explain the core technology behind the project. So for this project I used Chatterbox. So what is Chatterbox? Chatterbox is an open source text to speech model launched by Resemble AI. So it's designed for high quality low latency speech generation and supports voice conditioning, which means we can generate speech by mimicking a reference audio sample. So it just you can also upload your own voice of just 10 to 15 seconds and it will mimic and generate the speech. So I have used Chatterbox Turbo model for this one and you can see the demo. Let's just see a demo. You can upload your voice and just click on generate. Now it will mimic the voice and you can hear, you can just write the text and let's start it.
Oh, that's hilarious. Anyway, we do have a new model in store. It's the Skynet T800 series and it's got basically everything, including AI integration with ChatGPT and all that jazz. Would you like me to get some prices for you?
So that's that's really very good. You can also add chuckle and cuff, and these are all the options you can use. If you want to try this model, then you can just quickly clone this kit repo and just install the dependencies and just write this code for Chatterbox Turbo. And for multilingual, this is the code you can just copy and paste and try it out on your own. You can just explore this page. It has a very fast inference and really suitable for real time use cases also. So and it is also very natural as you have seen in the demo, and the output it produces is very expressive, and it also supports CPU and GPU, and the Turbo TTS model is optimized for low latency. Now let's understand the project overview. So the project is split into two parts. First is the backend and frontend. Backend is using the Fast API and frontend is built using the React. So in backend I have a voices folder. One is output.wave and second is reference wave. So the reference.wave stores the uploaded voice sample and output.wave stores the generated speech. So this Chatterbox Turbo TTS model is loaded once at startup and the app automatically uses GPU if available, otherwise it uses CPU. So I created two endpoints, two APIs. One is uploaded voice and the second is TTS. So this endpoint lets the user upload an audio file which is saved as the reference voice. Okay, and the second this TTS endpoint is takes the text input and uses the uploaded voice as a prompt and generates speech in the same voice. So the generated audio is then returned to the front end as a wave. So let's switch to the front end part. How it works, let me show you. Yeah. So the user, so it is just split into two parts also. This is also one is screen one is just for voice setup. The user uploads a short audio sample around 10 to 30 seconds, and once the upload is successful, the voice is activated. And the second one is voice chat interface. The user types text into the chat and the text is sent to the backend, and the backend generates speech using the clone voice and the audio plays automatically. So it is also shown inside the chat with audio controls, so it feels like you are chatting with your own voice. Let me show you. You can just upload your voice and start uploading. You can see here warming up model for with reference audio. It will just take few seconds. So we are here at the screen too. You can just copy this and paste and see it is now generating. It will start generating the voice sample. You can also, if you want to add, you can also add LLMs or AI agents on top of this project. But for just for simplicity, I just didn't add any LLM. So you will just write the text and it will generate the same text and with the audio, your own voice. See, we are done and we can check the voice here. See, let's just listen to it.
Oh, that's hilarious. Anyway, we do have a new model in store. It's the Skynet T800 series and it's got basically everything, including AI integration with ChatGPT and all that jazz. Would you like me to get some prices for you?
So, so it really feels like you are chatting with your own voice. And this is very similar to the demo we have just
Oh, that's hilarious.
unveiled.
Anyway, we do have a new model.
So you can add chuckle, laugh, cough, anything. So overall, this project shows how we can use Chatterbox by Resemble AI to build personalized real voice cloning systems using open source tools. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.